Welcome to XUYI Automation. Today we're showcasing the CNC-ZX-650 spring coiling machine, engineered for precision and efficiency. Handling wire diameters from 2.0 to 5.0 millimeters, the ZX650 easily produces springs with outer diameters up to 90 millimeters. Equipped with advanced servo motors, including a powerful 7.5 kilowatt Y-axis feeding spool and dual 2.9 kilowatt cutters for consistent precision. Driven by 8 servo-controlled axes, it offers total power of 19 kilowatts, ensuring reliable performance for both left and right-handed coil production. The ZX650 achieves production speeds adjustable up to 80 pieces per minute, optimizing your manufacturing capabilities. XUYI, empowering your spring manufacturing.